work hard and leave that traditional way. Work on online business. Try to solve the problems of the people.
You
Yes.
truly symbolize, I would say, a new India, and wherein you must be aware, even the governments, they have this focus that our youth should become job creators, not just job seekers.
Right.
Welcome viewers to Middle Class Hub. I am Alankar Srivastav, and today we are very happy to have someone with us from the Kashmir, a man who embodies New India, uh, who claims himself to be a middle class boy. So we will try to talk to him and get a sense of what middle class India is all about, how he has created opportunities for himself and also for others. So I am very happy to introduce Mr. Umar Sami, from the owner of Kashmir Online Store, and we are happy to have a conversation with Mr. Sami today. So welcome, Mr. Sami, to Middle Class Hub, India's
Thank you. Welcome all.
exclusively for middle
Thank you.
class. So Mr. Sami, do you identify yourself as a middle class person?
Yes, I am. I definitely identify.
So how was life growing up as a middle class boy in Kashmir? Our viewers would like to know about that. How was your family background? And how was life?
My father is actually working actually now retired from BSNL cooperative. He was doing government job. Then after some months he retired. And I here in Kashmir, normally you can see all the people are middle class. No one you can expect to be a higher class, upper class.
So most of the people, you say, in Kashmir Valley, they identify themselves with middle class status, isn't it?
They are definitely they are definitely in middle class person.
So,
Some may be lower class, some may be middle class, not upper class.
not upper class. Okay. So how do you see, I mean, your origin as a middle class person, and since most of the people in the valley, they identify themselves as a middle class Indian. So can you talk about the economic importance of middle class in India? I mean, what kind of a middle class
I
India plays in economic
I
development?
can in economy, the middle class people who are currently working needs to do उनको ना अपना वर्क पावर है ना वो इंक्रीज करना चाहिए इन ऑर्डर टू अचीव समथिंग, क्योंकि आजकल का कंपटीशन भी बहुत ज्यादा है, आजकल का मतलब मार्केट भी बहुत ज्यादा है। आजकल अगर हम वर्ल्ड का देखेंगे कि सब ऑनलाइन आ चुके हैं, अगर मिडिल क्लास को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है कि वो एक हायर क्लास में कन्वर्ट हो जाए, वो कुछ कमा ले, बिकॉज ऑफ वो थोड़ा सा हार्ड वर्क करे, वो थोड़ा सा नहीं ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क करे, क्योंकि उसको कंपटीशन, उसको ऑनलाइन आना है, उसको जैसे मैंने ये कश्मीर ऑनलाइन स्टोर इसका तो मेरा कोई बैकग्राउंड नहीं था, मैं जस्ट मेरा बाप था वो एज अ गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय था, देन मैंने मेरे दिमाग में था कि आई एम बीइंग फ्रॉम सैफरन टाउन, तो यहाँ पे सैफरन का बिजनेस बहुत चलता था, तो सैफरन का बिजनेस चलते चलते मेरे दिमाग में एक थॉट प्रोसेस आया, क्यों ना मैं ये स्टार्ट कर दूं ऑनलाइन, क्योंकि मेरा एज अ बैकग्राउंड भी अगर देखा जाए कि बीटेक सीएससी है, माय पेरेंट्स एक्सपेक्ट दैट ही विल डू सम जॉब, ही विल डू सम गवर्नमेंट जॉब, और मैंने वो रास्ता नहीं चुना। मैंने सोचा कि अगर मिडिल क्लास तक मतलब उनकी सैलरी मतलब गवर्नमेंट जॉब अगर हम देखा जाए तो नॉर्मली दे कैन एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग 20 to 30,000, राइट? देन आफ्टर अगर कितने साल 10 साल वो काम करता है सेम 30 to 40,000 उसका पेमेंट इंक्रीज होता है। हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या है कि यहाँ पे जो कश्मीर में है कि वो कहते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब सबसे बेस्ट है, बट मेरा थॉट प्रोसेस कुछ अलग था। मैं कुछ अचीव करना चाहता था कि सेपरेटली फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट जॉब। सो मैंने ये स्टेप उठाया, मैं ही उसका खुद ओनर हूँ, मैंने ही डेवलप किया है। जब मैंने आई थिंक 2015 से मैंने स्टार्ट किया है।
If I may ask you, since as you said that most people, most parents in Kashmir, they would want their children to get into government jobs. So how was the response or support from the family when you decided to start your own business?
फैमिली डज नॉट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस ऑनलाइन बिजनेस, हाउ इट वर्क्स। इनको लगता था कि एज अ स्कैम है ये बंदा, मतलब मुझे ना जीरो से स्टार्ट करना पड़ा। जीरो से स्टार्ट करके 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 इतनी अचीवमेंट करनी पड़ी कि फैमिली को फिर खुद ब खुद यकीन हो गया कि बंदा कर रहा है, फिर उन्होंने भी सपोर्ट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया।
तो 3 साल की आपकी जर्नी रही है, फ्रॉम 2017 जनवरी यू स्टार्टेड, सो वी आर ऑन द थर्ड एनिवर्सरी ऑफ योर कश्मीर।
एक्चुअली आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 2015 एंड थोड़ा सा मैंने सीखा कि वेब डेवलपमेंट कैसे होती है यूट्यूब, बाई सर्चिंग आउट ऑन यूट्यूब। सिंस यहाँ पे माय फादर वाज वर्किंग ऑन बीएसएनएल, तो मेरा ब्रॉडबैंड नेट तो 24 घंटे चलता था। तो उसकी वजह से मैंने, उसके हेल्प की वजह से मैंने गूगल में एक एक करके एक एक चीज मैंने सर्च करी, एक एक यूट्यूब में एक एक चीज मैंने सर्च की, फिर उसको प्रैक्टिकली इंप्लीमेंट किया। देन आफ्टर मुझे ये सक्सेस मिली। नॉर्मली 13 to 15 आवर्स में कंटिन्यूअसली ऑनलाइन रहता था। उसी वजह से मुझे आइडिया आया क्यों ना एक कश्मीर ऑनलाइन स्टोर बनाया जाए। वहां पे अगर देखा जाए कि उनकी प्रोडक्ट अगर किसी को कोई मांगता है कि सैफरन, मुझे ना क्या करते थे कि जब मैं अपने यूनिवर्सिटी के दिनों में होता था तो सब मुझे सैफरन बोलते थे, सैफरन दे दो, सैफरन दे दो। मैंने सोचा कि अगर ये यहाँ पे कश्मीर में बोल रहे हैं सैफरन दे दो, बाहर क्या बोलेंगे? बाहर तो बोलेंगे कि आप वहां से हो, मुझे काइंडली सैफरन दीजिए। तो मैंने एक पार्ट किया कि मैं ये सैफरन ना ऑल ओवर इंडिया इसको पहुंचाने का काम करूंगा, ना कि सैफरन। फिर उसके बाद मेरा ड्राई फ्रूट का मेरा मकसद था कि कस्टमर्स को क्वालिटी प्रोवाइड करना, कस्टमर्स को रियल मतलब कस्टमर्स को ऐसा मतलब मोटिवेट करना कि उनको ना क्वालिटी में सेटिस्फेक्शन मिल जाए। तो उसी का मुझे फायदा मिला और मुझे मेरे कस्टमर्स बहुत ही मतलब रेस्पेक्ट भी करते हैं और वो मुझे मेरी तारीफ भी करते हैं कि आपने ये कदम लिया, आपने ये स्टार्ट किया, आपने कश्मीर ऑनलाइन स्टोर बनाया।
और अभी कितने लोग आपके साथ काम कर रहे हैं आपकी टीम में?
नियरली 10 पीपल कर रहे हैं।
10 people. So you have created opportunities not just for yourself but for 10 other people also. And you know that is
Yes, yes.
good to know from you. You are a self-made man. आपने इंटरनेट को यूज
Yes.
किया, टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज किया, you learned different aspects of doing this business, and then you applied
Right,
this.
right.
So, you
Yes.
truly symbolize, I would say, a new India, and wherein you must be aware, even the governments, they have this focus that our youth should become job creators, not just job seekers.
Right, right.
That way,
Right, right, right.
and we are so happy at Middle Class for,
I have to compete with big companies like Flipkart, Amazon. I have to beat them, you know. तो उसकी उसका मुझे बहुत उसकी I have to work from start from layman, and then after I got some good reviews, and then I started and I worked hard, and मैंने देखा कि बाकी वेबसाइट्स क्या कर रहे हैं, वो क्या इतना अच्छा कर रहे हैं कि मैं भी करूँ, वो मैं इससे अच्छी सर्विस दे दूँ। बस मेरा काम यही था। तो बूमिंग हमारा स्टोर जैसे अभी तक का बेस्ट स्टोर माना जाता है अगर हम कश्मीर में देखा जाए। समटाइम्स यहाँ पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती थी कि 2G नहीं चल रहा था, इंटरनेट टोटली बैन था आफ्टर 370। स्टिल मुझे ना अब फिर क्या करना पड़ा, मुझे अपना वेयर हाउस दिल्ली में रखना पड़ा।
So now I think things are the life is getting back on track, and जैसा आपने
राइट।
वेयर हाउस आपने दिल्ली में भी रखा है, तो इंडिया में ऑल ओवर इंडिया यू गाइस आर नाउ सप्लाइंग द प्रोडक्ट्स?
Even we are supplying, we are getting leads from UK, Sweden, Australia, US, and Dubai as well.
Okay. So
Especially, I have added some more products like dry fruits and honey, which I personally check whether it is original and they are purely tested.
so all original raw stock materials that you guys pick from the valley, and then your endeavor is
Right, right,
take it to the nook and
right.
corner of India, not just in India, also abroad. So
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
such an inspiring.
I will try.
Yeah.
So,
So, and if I may ask you, like you have been into your own business for last 5 years now. So, in terms of
right.
support that you seek maybe from the policymakers, from the government, what exactly you expect so that more and more people like you should come forward and get on the path of self-development, because this way it's not only you are doing good for yourself, you are doing good for the entire country. You are contributing.
Government are providing some schemes, but they need the people need to know what is the scheme actually. Then after they have to start from layman checking while checking from internet. अगर अब यूएस का देखा जाए सारा मार्केट 90% मार्केट ऑनलाइन है, तो ट्रेंड चेंज हो रहा है। जो 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 आज से 10 साल पहले था, आज तो बिल्कुल ही उसका अपोजिट है। टुडे likewise giant companies like Amazon and Flipkart are there, Snapdeal are there, सब अब प्रेफर कर रहे हैं कि हमें ऑनलाइन ही परचेज करना चाहिए बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड and there is a huge boost in e-commerce website like Flipkart and Amazon.
So you touched upon a very important aspect. See, this whole year 2020, it is defined, I would rather say, by just this pandemic, Corona pandemic. How has been
Right.
particular for your business? Have you seen the demand going up? How has it impacted your business, this Corona pandemic?
Demand for e-commerce has gone up, so obviously our demand for online products are definitely going higher than previous year, which I was expecting. Now we are on Flipkart and Amazon as well. It takes almost 8 months to approve my products. Now people can purchase on Amazon and Flipkart as well.
Okay, your product, you have an affiliate program with Amazon, Flipkart also.
Right.
Okay. So your products are also available on these two e-commerce platforms.
Yes.
Okay.
My products are definitely from, because वो तो मुझे पहले सबसे पहले हेल्प मिली कि मैंने वेयर हाउस अपना एस्टैब्लिश किया उसकी वजह से, वरना कश्मीर में पॉसिबल नहीं था. It is not possible.
You have only in the national capital, you have in other cities also warehouse?
No, I am planning to establish on other cities as well, but right now only one warehouse.
What will be your message, if I may ask, to the youth of this country? Like this pandemic has affected every aspect of our life. It has hit economy badly.
I appeal the general youth of India to work hard and leave that traditional way. Work on online business. Try to solve the problems of the people. If you can solve the problems of the people, you will grow high. That's my message to my. Check, there is everything available. Every bit of thing is available on YouTube, on Google. You can just search it out. Try some investments there is some blogging. Likewise, you can start YouTube channel. You can start blogging as well. You can start marketing. You can start Android app. There are so many opportunities, but people are so dull here in Kashmir and as well as in India. they are not able to work hard. And one more thing is, one more thing I can say is, parental support is not there. If you can, if you can, if you check, अगर आप online का देखेंगे for rest of world, then India, इसमें पेरेंट्स क्या है कि वो बोल रहे हैं कि आप जॉब कीजिए, आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब पे कीजिए, आईएएस बनिए, बट दे डोंट नो कि मुकेश अंबानी तो सबसे बड़ा बिजनेसमैन है, तो उसने भी स्टार्ट किया होगा कहीं से.
No, that is a very important message, not just for the youth, what you have said, also for the parents, that they need to be supportive in the endeavor of the youth, of their children. You know, I can tell you one very interesting, I want to share with you, and for also all our viewers. See, today the richest man on this planet, Jeff Bezos, the Amazon owner.
Yes, Amazon creator.
Yeah, so there's very interesting story about his life. When he decided to start Amazon, he was having a quite secure, well-paying job in America.
Right.
So when he wanted to start his own thing, Amazon and all, his parents, especially his mother, they were quite apprehensive. They said that don't leave your job. This was told to Jeff Bezos, who today is the richest person on this earth. So they said, please don't leave your job. You can start your, just see.
That's what creativity is.
Yeah. So
that's what creativity is. If you don't play with internet, you will not achieve anything. You have to play with internet. You have to solve the problems of the people. You have to ease your business. That's what I am going. I want to tell, or I want to convey to the people of India.
You know, this the way you have talked about the internet, the technology, and how you have used it to learn, upgrade yourself, and also you know, start something which is creating opportunities for others also, not just for yourself.
So, right now I have 10. While checking, I was in my BTech when I was studying BTech. Then certainly my teachers, मैं तो as a backbencher था, तो मेरे जो बाकी students हैं वो they are doing as a job purpose, but they are not satisfied with the job. There is some uncertainty with them कि मजा नहीं आ रहा है, जो मजा हमने पढ़ के कुछ अचीव करना था वो नहीं आ रहा है.
You know, the best part about being your own boss, if I may put it that way, is that you can get to do things that otherwise you would not get an opportunity to do if you are like in a regular 9-to-5 job. So that really creates a lot of opportunities for self-improvement, self-enhancement also. And
sometimes my customers call me on late night. I pick up the phone and trying to explain them what is my product about. That's why the passion is. That's why if you have a passion on anything, you will achieve anything.
That's true. That's very, very well said. I would like to know about your educational background also. What kind of education you received? Where you studied?
I have pursued my education in BTech CSC, Computer Science, and from Kashmir University.
Okay. So that I think also reflected in your passion for learning new technology and. You know,
and I am athlete as well. Okay. I am playing football as well, so it keeps me sharp to my business. Whether for working hard on my business, how can I achieve that? The athleticism of football is very high, especially in Kashmir. So I played football as well as I played for with the internet as well.
That's good. That's really great. And how has been the response from the family now? Your parents, your father?
They are fully satisfied now. They don't have any problem with me.
Any kind of support?
But from starting they told me that आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी, इतना क्यों बैठ रहे हो, जाओ कहीं पे जॉब करो. मैंने बोला wait for some years, I will tell you.
Yeah, yeah. I think this is one thing that across the country, families, young children, they can share with you, because most of the families, they have this conversation that you are wasting. I mean,
Right,
parents,
right.
and of course they mean well for us. So their concern is you are wasting your time, your eyes will get spoiled, and God knows what you are doing. Why don't you find a job for yourself? But then finally, when things fall in place, so then story like yours. That's what we believe at Middle Class Hub. We are the
I believe in one theory. I believe in one theory, God has created same brain to everyone. Now it's up to you. आपको कैसे यूज करना है. किसी को दो ब्रेन्स थोड़ी ना दिए हैं. जो जेफ बेजोस आप बोल रहे हो, तो उसको थोड़ी ना दो ब्रेन्स दिए.
That's true. That's true.
They utilize that brain. That's what I am telling them.
This
According to trend, according to technology, according to Google.
And this is the spirit, I would say, which symbolizes the middle class Indian, middle class family.
Right, right,
Because,
right.
learning, always trying to improve, learning from those who are higher up and trying to, oversee, overtake them rather. So these are the inspirations, and that will go a long way, I would say, in improving, transforming the lives of so many millions of middle class families in our country. And
Right, right, right.
about,
They need to work hard. They need to provide. If they have passion in music, they need to work hard in music to beat everyone.
so, following
That's
your,
why what I am trying to convey to my middle class people.
Mhm. So like you said, you had a passion for technology. You're from computer science
Right.
background, and then you try to learn new things through all platforms like.
By having computer science does not mean anything. Does not mean anything. I
Yeah.
have learned nothing in my BTech career. But
It's
I
more
was
to do with
when
your.
I was going back to my home, when I was going to I implement some things. That's why I am telling to my youth, to my middle class people.
It's more to do with your aptitude, the way you are, this aptitude to learn. Like they say, your aptitude decides your altitude. So this aptitude, learning, and and using technology to solve the problems of the people. That is a very important
Right.
given to youth of our country. So rather than just having a discourse and a narrative about unemployment and job crisis, I think if people, more and more people like you, if you can come forward and be job creators, I'm telling you, this will do a whole lot of good to this country, because we
I
need
am trying to do,
people like
but my reach is so less. My reach, even if in my community or my people of Kashmir, they don't know anything about it. They know I have to become a doctor, I have to become an engineer, I have to become a. They don't even support for the sports as well. They don't they know that they have to do government job. I want to tell my the I want to tell middle class people that स्टारों से आगे जहां और भी है. अभी इश्क के इम्तिहान और भी है.
And this is not just about Kashmir or your community. I can tell you, we have this kind of conversation at Middle Class Hub with middle class families calling us, and they're talking about their experiences, their issues, the problems they face, opportunities they seek. This is, I can tell you, most of the family in middle class family in India, they share the same thing, that
Right.
this not getting support, the required, otherwise they would have. I can tell you one more thing, in whatever.
They are spending the money on wrong things. They are spending. They are spending the money on wrong things. Like they have, if someone I can suggest someone, they should, after 10 12 plus, they should start their own business. And separately they should do the education part as well. it's my you can say मेरी नसीहत है middle class people के लिए.
So when it comes to the demand part, how is it that are you getting more like orders from the outside of the Jammu and Kashmir, from the rest of India? How is the demand?
Jammu Kashmir has I don't think so here everywhere dry fruits, saffron are available. So I am getting more demand from South India, North India, mostly South India.
South India, okay. And also now
Like
you
Telangana, Karnataka.
overseas orders also you are getting now for your store, right?
Yes, now definitely.
Okay. That's great. And
They are fully satisfied with my productivity and product quality. They buying again and again. They told me that you have very good quality. हाँ उसमें नेगेटिव पीपल भी होते हैं. यही खाली मैंने एक चीज नोटिस की है. मैंने उनको बोला है कि अगर आपको फूड प्रोडक्ट स्पेशली उनमें रिटर्न्स मतलब पॉलिसी नहीं होती है. हम एक खाली वेबसाइट है जो आपको रिटर्न पॉलिसी भी दे देते हैं अगर हमारे प्रोडक्ट में कुछ गड़बड़ या कोई खराबी है. सिंस इट इज फूड प्रोडक्ट कभी भी खराब हो सकता है, कुछ नहीं कह सकते.
These are logistical challenges, I guess, with the business.
Right. Exactly.
And if I ask you, what like as an entrepreneur, you have kind of created a niche for yourself in that domain that you are operating. What do you think, not just for you, but for the rest of the entrepreneurs in India, or the budding entrepreneurs, what kind of support system you think must exist? An ecosystem. Family support, of course, is there, but do you think anything specific you require from the government?
Yes. Government as well as the people all around the surroundings, if you can say. अगर माहौल ही ऐसा बन जाएगा ना तो इंडिया की इकोनॉमी ऐसे बूस्ट हो जाएगी जैसे कोई मतलब बहुत ज्यादा बूस्ट होगी. अगर अभी चाइना देखेंगे ना, चाइना सबसे बड़ा होलसेल में सबसे बड़ा जायंट है. Why? Because of online. उन्होंने सारा कुछ ऑनलाइन कर दिया, like Alibaba.com, if you can check it.
That's true.
So in order to boost the economy of India, someone needs to be practical. Someone needs to work hard, especially the middle class people. Mostly in India, there are so many middle class people.
Yeah. And during our conversation, there's always this thing that comes to our mind, that middle class, they contribute significantly to the economic development of the country, but somewhere, there is always this kind of, I would say, a frustration from whenever we speak to a middle class family regarding what they expect from the governments, from the policy makers. I think government also is time. They must take into account the importance and significance of middle class, the role they play, and they must create an enabling atmosphere, an enabling environment for more and more people like you to come and create opportunities, not just for themselves, but for others also. Because this is what is the need. Because, I believe no amount of, you can give as many speeches, presentations, make policies, but at the end of the day, the important thing is people need jobs. So if you have one woman who is creating jobs,
people need money. People need money. Here, अगर आप देखा जाए कि लोगों को आईफोन भी होना चाहिए, लोगों को अच्छे कपड़े भी होना चाहिए. People need money. तो मिडिल क्लास पीपल लाइक अगर कोई मतलब लोन ब्रीडर है वो कितना कर पाएगा? उसको अपना घर भी संभालना है, उसका अपना एजुकेशन, वो लोन भी ले लेता है, तो वो सारा कुछ कैसे कर पाएगा? सो दे नीड टू चेंज देयर माइंडसेट. Once they will change, the system will automatically change.
That's such an important message. I think it's about, if I can just sum it up, work hard, use technology, solve problems of people, and change your mindset. Basically, change your mindset. learning, and then if you know, if we embrace this kind of mindset, we'll definitely know there's no stopping India. We can go a
No, no.
long way, right? So,
Right.
Mr. Sami, it has been a pleasure speaking to you, and we couldn't have,
Thank you
I
so
would
much.
say, ended the year on a better note than having a conversation with you. So it's so
Thank you so much.
heartfelt thanks to you for joining us at Middle Class Hub. We look
No
forward to
issues.
more
No,
such
I am always ready to to help my middle class people.
So we look forward to many more such conversations in the new year. And here's wishing you a very happy new year. And may your
Thank you. Thank you. Same to you.
thank you so much, Mr. Sami. Thank you so much. Appreciate
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.